everyone. Welcome to our Bitsy tutorial. Today we're going to show you how easy it is to share your Bitsy link on social media platforms. Whether you're promoting a blog, product, or event, sharing your shortened link is a breeze. Let's get started. First, log into your Bitsy account and navigate to the Bitsy links page where all your shortened links are listed. Find the Bitsy link you want to share. Next to your shortened link, you'll find the More Options icon to the far right. Click on it and you will be presented with more options about your shortened link. Click on the Share Link button to open the sharing options. Bitsy makes sharing easy by providing direct options to post your link on various social media platforms. You can choose to share your link on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and more. Let's start with Facebook. Click on the Facebook icon and you'll be redirected to a new post window with your Bitsy link already included. You can add a message or description if you'd like. Add any additional text or context to your post and click Post to share your link with your Facebook audience. Now let's try Twitter. Click on the Twitter icon and you'll be taken to a tweet composition window with your Bitsy link ready to go. You can add hashtags or mentions to reach a broader audience. Compose your tweet and hit Tweet to share your link with your Twitter followers. Bitsy's sharing options extend to other platforms like LinkedIn and even email. Simply choose the appropriate icon, follow the prompts, and your Bitsy link will be shared with ease. If you prefer, you can also use the Copy option to manually paste your Bitsy link into any social media platform or messaging service. And that's all there is to it. Sharing your Bitsy link on social media is quick and straightforward. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Bitsy tips and tutorials. Got any questions or need help? Drop a comment below. We're here to assist. Thanks for watching and happy sharing with Bitsy.